Good morning, students. Today we will start the next topic, that is female reproductive system. Okay, as we have discussed in a previous topic, that male reproductive system in the both male and female reproductive system, their structure is different and they perform different function. Okay, so in female reproductive system they have different parts and they perform different function. So here we know that in female female gamete is egg or ova, and in that it has different parts. We will see that it consists of following parts. That it has a pair of ovary. Okay, second, pair of oviduct, or we also call it as fallopian tube. Third is uterus, it is also known as womb. Fourth, vagina, it is also known as birth canal. So first we will see what is ovary. Okay, ovary, they are oval shape. Okay, we can see they are oval shape and they are inside abdominal cavity, and there are two ovaries. Okay, and its function is that it produce ova and it store also ovum. Okay, ova or ovum, we can say. They also produce female sex organ, that is called estrogen and progesterone. So the function of ovary is to that it produce and store ovum in them. Okay, and they also produce female sex hormone called estrogen and progesterone. Second is oviduct, or we also call it as fallopian tube. So here fallopian tube, that they are the site for fertilization. Okay, in this what fertilization takes place, and they connect ovaries and uterus. Okay, so here what the egg released by an ovary goes into oviduct. Okay, so in ovary what there is production of egg and they are released by ovary and it goes into the oviduct through funnel shaped. Okay, the shape of oviduct or fallopian tube is of funnel shape opening, and here fertilization takes place and they connect ovaries with uterus. Third is uterus. Uterus is also known as womb. Okay, and the function of uterus is that the growth and development of fertilized egg takes place in uterus. Okay, so in this what there is a growth and development of fertilized egg takes place. Then next is vagina. In this what it is the part which connects cervix to external female body parts. Okay, it is what it is the part which connects cervix to external female body part, and it is the pathway for penis, okay, to enter female body and deposit the sperm, which then enter to uterus to fertilize with the female egg. So here what it is a pathway for penis. Penis is what it is a male reproductive part to enter the female body and deposit the sperm. Okay, sperm which is produced in the testis, which then enter to uterus to fertilize with the female egg. Okay, so this is about vagina. And the last is cervix. So cervix is what? It is circular muscular ring. It is circular in shape and it is muscular ring that is present towards the lower end of uterus, that dilates at the time of delivery of baby. Okay, so these are the parts which is present in female reproductive system. Okay, this is important for exam. So the diagram and the function of all this you should understand and you should learn properly. Okay, thank you.